Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to design like a pro. So if you are struggling with design ideas, what if I told you AI can give you instant inspirations, even complete design prompts? So in this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT as your personal design assistant to brainstorm, plan, and polish your creative projects like a pro. So whether you are a graphic designer, content creator, or a complete beginner, this tutorial will teach you how to use ChatGPT to boost your design workflow from concepts to Canva-ready ideas. So part 1, you can design ideas on demand. So for example, you can give prompt like this. Give me 5 logo ideas for a vintage book store, like this. You can hit on enter and wait for ChatGPT to answer. So ChatGPT will instantly suggest names, symbols, and everything, and also the style direction, like this one, for example, the timeless tone. The style is Victorian or early 19th centuries, and like this one, rustic or minimalist vintage. So you can just choose the one that suits your needs or your preferences best. And you can also generate the color themes. So for example, you can use this prompt: suggest 3 color palette for a luxury like skincare brand. You can go with this. You can see ChatGPT will suggest some of the best color palettes for your needs, like this one: soft gold and pearl white, sage green and ivory, or midnight blue and platinum. So you can just provide the prompt based on your needs. You can also help ask for layout and templates. For example, like this: what should I include in a one-page portfolio layout? You can go with this. Okay, as you guys can see, the answers is fast, so you can just read it and learn about it. And last step, you need to use AI and Canva together, so you can ask ChatGPT for content like captions, tagline, and CTA tags, and can use suggestions in Canva template. So you can use all of this. Here you can see there's also the hex code. You can use this to create your own logo or color palette like this, and open Canva and use these suggestions. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to change your design game, whether you're planning your next logo, reel, or full campaign. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!